Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna install this bad boy right here. It's the dynojet Powervision, and it's updated to the new software and downloaded with the stock map that comes with on dynojet's homepage. This is a street light 2019, brand new, and it's stock. So I'm just gonna hook this up so I get somewhat more free flow through the system. And we're going to find the ECM plug. So we have to take off the left saddlebag. So I've just done that. And we're going to take off this cover right here. The Powervision is to me the best I've used. I've had it on all my bikes and I love the setup, and it's easy to tune. It's also got the auto tune feature, so you can ride and set up if you have a new new filter or exhaust. You can just do an auto tune. It's not the same as if you go to a power commander where you do all the setups, but it's an easy way to and cheaper way to do it. So we're just going to take this cover off. So the cover is off, and inside here we have the fuse box and other stuff, and this is just hooked on with small little clips. You just pull it out, and this right here is the ECM port when you're gonna hook up the Powervision. I'm just gonna do that and I'll be right back. So this is the cable that comes with the Powervision. It's hooks right in, and here's the cable that's I'm gonna route this later, so it's just gonna do it a little neater. So this, I have just got to put this thing right there. I think it's a good place for it. I'm just gonna route this cable inside. So like that, so nothing is in the way. This is connected. This rubber, just gonna put this right there. So neat, nothing in the way. I'm just gonna route this cable, and I'll be right back. Okay, I have now routed the cable inside here. I hope you can see where the cable goes. It's up here, goes around this one, attached it with plastic strips, goes up underneath the tank. See if you can see it there. It's, you can route it inside here with the other cables. Underneath the tank. You can't see it right there, but it's under here. Goes up. There it comes out. Just put a strip right there. I'm just gonna follow it up, and I'm gonna mount the Powervision up on the fairing. So be back. Okay, the Powervision is now mounted on the bike. I didn't use the fairing because the cable came in the way for the boombox, so I just temporarily put it right there. I'm not gonna have this on my bike all the time, so I'm just gonna hook it up when I'm gonna tune it, and then I'm gonna hide the cable. So this cable is a little long, so I'm gonna route it around something down there. So it's not hard to install the Powervision, just one connector, no O2 sensors or anything. Just puts right on to the ECM, and you just flash a new tune onto it. And on dynojet's homepage there are many to choose from, and I just choose the stock one because I don't have an air filter custom yet, or I don't have an exhaust. I just want to tune it a little bit because when it comes from factory it's set to very lean, so it's not the best setup. So the Powervision or fuel pack or anything you buy, it's going to open up the bike so it gets cooler and you get better mileage. I am going to change the exhaust or then the air filter later on, and then I just auto tune or download on Dynojet's homepage to get the best tune for the buck. You can do a more expensive one if you want to, but then when you change something, you have to do it all over again. So with this, you can just auto tune and you are good to go. It's not the best tune, but it's very, very good. And now I'm just gonna put everything back together. I'm gonna start it up and flash the bike with a new tune. So bike is back together, nice and neat. No cables hanging out. I just routed it a little different. I just made a loop right there, and on the top it's just following the tank around, so it's easy to hook off. And don't leave it on the bike because people might steal it. They think it's a GPS or something, but they don't know what it is. So just take it with you. We're just gonna start up. So the bike is started up and the dynojet is clearly working. It's a disclaimer here and warning, so you have to accept this. We're just gonna go ahead and do that. This is the main menu of the Powervision. You got program vehicle, data log, vehicle tools, settings, device info, and dealer info. The way this works, the Powervision, is that it marries to your ECM, so you cannot use this on any other bike than just this bike. You can, however, buy a license to unlock it, so you can use it on another bike. But once you used it on that bike, it marries to that bike. So I think it's $199 for a new license. So this one, once I marry it to this bike, it will not work on any other bike. I have downloaded the stock tune for this bike, so I am gonna program it with that tune that I got from Dynojet's homepage. So I'm going to program vehicle. I'm gonna accept this. I'm gonna load tune, and we have a custom tune. It's reading the configuration. Just gonna have to wait. It's reading off the bike's computer to get this bike's factory tune. Is often running very lean because of the regulations for emissions. So what we're gonna do with this custom tune is we're gonna open this motor up so it gets cooler and runs more efficiently. So we're just gonna wait for this. You can see it says reading original tune. We're soon to be done here. It's gonna save the original tune in a slot, so you can always get the original tune back to the bike if you want to. This will marry the Powervision to the bike permanently and cannot be undone. Is this what you want to do? Of course. This device and bike are now married. Thank you. You can see right here is please select available tune. Gonna have the stock tuned. There you can see it's 114, air cooled, stock improved. This is what I'm gonna use. Now I'm gonna select flash to send this tune to the ECM. So now I cannot use this Powervision on any other bike. I have to pay $200 to get a new license. It's okay, I'm happy with it. Do you want to reset learned fuel trim values? This is necessary only if you changed any air fuel related parameters. I'm going to do yes for that. Restart. Please turn the key off and wait 10 seconds. Okay, I counted 12, so that's it. Just gonna start it up. Accept the disclaimer. Just gonna gather the info. You can see there's locked to vehicle. And this bike is now officially tuned with the new stock improved tune from dynojet. So this bike is going to run so much better with only stock improved. And when I change the exhaust and air filters or what's, it's going to go even better. Just auto tune and go. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. I'm going to do more videos on this 2019 Street Life special, and I'm glad that you have seen the video, and peace and have a nice ride. Thank you.